What up, everybody? It is another day, and welcome back to Ubante Garage. Today we are out at Dave & Buster's San Diego. So today there's a toy drive done by Solar Eclipse window tinting. So we're here. I'm about to donate this yo-yo because I'm a yo-yoer and yo-yoing's legit. Got the Evo here, along with Modified Alliance, some super dope cars here, and yeah, let's go give this toy to these people. Put this guy right over here. Hell yeah. Yeah, damn, we are in Dave & Buster's. But to play, there's so many kids here. But, yeah, I haven't been in here for probably a year. So we'll see. Oh snap! Dance Dance Revolution is currently occupied.
You ain't down?
Oh snap, they got Dance Rush? Yo, they got Dance Rush. Insane. I need to see this. I've been wanting to play this game low key. Just because I'm a drunk instructor.
Oh snap. John about to get down.
It's your time, dog.
Oh snap. Get it, boy. Oh shit! You start doing the order track for a moment? Oh snap. You did it! Ah, damn. Professional. Oh shit! Found it. With 1 second left. Oh snap. How's coming?
Alright, so low key, you guys just saw that. I'm tired out of my mind, but that is the best I've ever done on DDR for a long time. Now, why'd you have to slap my phone on my hand?
Yo.
man.
Oh.
Shit, bruh. Bruh, Kevin, what is that? What is that?
Cheeseburger Happy Meal.
Bruh, what?
Bruh.
Now that looks pretty good. This looks really good.
That one looks
But
good.
what are you, carbo loading over there? Alright guys, alright. This is before. And this is after. Bruh. Almost ate all of it. Alright, back to the cars. We on the come up today, boys.
Swag bag, courtesy
Custom.
of RC Battery.
Custom Hot
Follow
Wheel.
them on Instagram. They have excellent batteries for all your cars. 768588.
Yo, we came out on top, my boys. I think I got first place Japanese, right? Japanese? First place Japanese?
Now our final best of show
Yeah.
trophy.
First
Overall,
one.
had
It's
the
the
most
first one.
points. It's the RC.
Yo,
Congrats. Best of show.
well deserved, my dude. Well deserved. Dana be killing it out here, man. It's the air up. I missed it. Why does it look good aired up? Goddamn, dude.
Do it again. I want you to do it again.
Yo. Later, bro. The Evo has finally won its first trophy. Today's a good day. Today's a very good day. Congrats to you, bro. This thing's super dope. Hey. All right, we headed home. All right, we are currently on our way home. Thank you guys all for reaching the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that toy drive. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. And we'll go do a little pull at the end to where the Evo is even allowed to do it because it's not tuned yet. Let's get it. Scraping as always. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.